there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our video. Today, we're diving into the world of irresistible, melt-in-your-mouth goodness with a recipe that's perfect for vegans. Let's dive into the video. Wait! Before starting the vegan meal plan video, I introduce you with alpha-liin, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: ½ cup 1 stick vegan butter, softened, ½ cup granulated sugar, and ½ 4 cup brown sugar, coconut sugar, 1 flax egg, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed mixed with 2.5 tablespoons water, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1½ cups all-purpose flour as a gluten-free flour blend, and a teaspoon baking soda, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 cup vegan chocolate chips. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit, 17 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a small bowl, mix the ground flaxseed with water and let it sit for 5 minutes to thicken. This will be your flax egg, which acts as a binding agent in place of traditional eggs. In a large bowl, cream together the softened vegan butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until the mixture is creamy and well combined. Add the flax egg and pure vanilla extract to the butter and sugar mixture. Mix until fully incorporated. In a separate bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until a cookie dough forms. Gently fold in the vegan chocolate chips until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Drop spoonfuls of dough onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving some space between each cookie. Bake in the preheated oven for 10-12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Remove the cookies from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.